Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the two retail me knocks that are coming on Sunday, November the 1st, 2020. So I'm just going to go ahead and share with you what's going to be inside. Keep in mind, regions can vary and amounts, the values of the coupons can even vary for region. So here we got some cat food here, Fancy Feast, 3 off of 1, the hair color, Cysteine 3N, $6 on the twin packs. We got some of these dietary supplements, $5 and $3. $1 here on this, or $10. I don't really know how much that stuff costs. Probably pretty pricey. We do not see Mederma coupons a whole lot, so if this is a product that you need, those are good coupons definitely to use. I know Rite Aid had a really good deal on these a while back, so I don't know if we'll see that again. Alright, so here we got Advil, 2, 1, and 2. This is a really great coupon, $3 on one. I believe there's still $1 back on Ibotta, so that's pretty good. Here's this grocery store deal they're running on Fetch. You can get $10 when you spend $30. So I've actually gotten that I think twice already, maybe 3 times. Grocery store only though. So here we got some of these. We get these like every month during the winter times. Advil Theraflu, Breathe Right. I actually love this thing. I just tried them not too long ago and they work great. $2 on the Advil and the Robitussin. We used to get matching Saving Star, but I haven't really seen that in quite a while. And then the Listerine. If you're doing the deal over at Rite Aid, you could use this coupon if you get your inserts early. Family Dollar, I'm just going to pan out. You can hit pause if you really want to look at the deals, but I am not a Family Dollar shopper. However, here there is 10% off gift cards, so that actually is pretty good deal. I don't even know if I've ever seen a percentage off gift cards, so I don't know if it's all gift cards or just that, but that's pretty good. You could get a $100 gift card for $90. I'm guessing. I don't know what all's included there, or if there's a limit. So here we got Opti-Free and Clear Care. Robitussin Honey and the Naturals. 2 off of 2. I'm trying to go quickly, but not too quick. Here's the Target pet coupon that we see. Nature's Truth. 5 off of 2. And I think that's it for this one. Alright, so let's look at the second one here. This is going to be the Unilever products that we see. So some good coupons in here, definitely. Buy one, get one free in the natural, and $2 off of one, $1.50 off of one, and $1.50 off of one. A lot of times these actual amounts will vary. Some people get 50 cents off of one or $1 off one, and I guess I was lucky this time and got $1.50. Here we got 5 off of 2. I'm sure this will make it free at one of the drugstores. Pretty much always works out that way at one point or another. So I'll definitely have to grab some when that deal goes. Alright, 4 off of 2 Dove Hair Care and 2 off of 1 for the Amplified. $1 off of 1 Suave Body Wash. 3 off of 2. We've seen a better coupon than that before, but who knows what will actually show up. Here we got Dove, 75 cents, 3 off of 2, $1 off 1, and $1 off 1. I would look for Unilever printables to become available on Sunday. Buy one men's, and you get a men's deodorant for free. Let's see, this is simple, 2 off of 1. I saw a rebate, I think, somewhere, but I don't remember if it's Ibotta or Checkout 51. $1 off one for the St. Ives. $1.50 Pond's. I believe some people have been finding Pond's at Dollar Tree. I've seen a few hauls. If you want to try coupons at Dollar Tree, I usually have zero success with them, but you can try. $1 off one on the Noxzema. $1 for Caress. $1 for Libra 2000. $2 Vaseline. $1 Suave. And 40 cents on the Lipton products. And that is it. So, really good inserts this week. If you're planning on getting papers, I definitely would grab some. This is some great coupons coming this Sunday.